Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Here also, we have to plot the following points on the graph sheet, verify if they lie on a line. So the first point is 4, 0. 4, 0, that means x is 4, so we will move towards right by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. But y is 0, so we won't move upwards, we will be here itself. So this is point A. Second point is B, 4, 2. 4 is here, 2 is here. So this is point B. Next is 4, 6. 4, 6 is here. This is point C. D is 4, 2.5. 4, 2.5. 2.5 will lie between 2 and 3. Right? So this is there. Now do they form a line? Yes, they form a line. It is verified. Okay, let's do the second part. In the second part, what is given to us? The points are given as 1, 1. Let's take them. So 1, 1 is here. This is point P. The next is 2, 2. It is here. This is point Q. The next is 3, 3. So 3, 3 is here. This is point R. And S point is 4, 4, which is here. Right? So when we join them, definitely a straight line would be formed. Okay, and the name of the line, we can just name it as L, or we can say PS is a line. Okay, so yes, it is all the points are lying on a line. The next is C part. So if we try the C one, just see, we have K as 2, 3. 2 is here, 3 is here. This is K point. L point is 5, 3. That is here. M is 5, 5. So that is here. And N is 2, 5. So 2, 5. So K, L is 5, 3. This is M, this is N. If I join all of them, K to L, L to M, M to N, and these also. So are they lying on a straight line? No, they are not lying on a line. Clear? Okay, moving to the next question. Here, now they are asking us draw a line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. So 2, 3 is here, students, and 3, 2 is here. So we have to make a line that passes through the point 2, 3 and 3, 2. So you are going to use a scale and join these 2 points and draw a line. Right? So when you draw there, draw the straight line. So I'll also be trying to draw it. So we see that. So here we see. This is the point 2, 3. This is 3, 2. When we join them, the line is going to pass using your proper, you will use your geometry material, a scale and a pencil, and the line will pass from this point. That is, here it is x0. So 0, 5. And this point is 5, 0. So through these 2 points, the line will pass. Okay. Moving to the next question, here write the coordinates of the vertices of each of the adjoining figures. So let's see the first one, OABC. So I'm writing OABC coordinate. O coordinates are 0, 0. That is known as origin. The x and y are 0 there. A here is x is 2 and y is 0. So A is 2, 0. The point B, we see that it is 2 units towards right, so x is 2, and how many units up? 1, 2, 3, so it is 2, 3. And point C, we see that it is 3 units up and it is 0 units to the right, so 0, 3, right? Next figure is, we see this one, PQRS, PQRS, and we have to write the coordinates of PQRS. So point P. Point P is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units towards right. So x is 4. How many units up? 3. 4, 3. Point Q is 6 units right. So 6, 1 unit up. 6, 1. Now the next point, that is R. It is 6 units towards right. And how many units up? We see 5 units up. 6, 5. Now the point S, we see it is 4 units towards right and 7 units up. So 4, 7. The last figure that we see is L, M, K. Coordinates of L. L is 7 units right, you see here, and 7 units up. It is 7, 7. M is just see 10 units right and 8 units up. 10, 8. The point K is 10 units right and 5 units up. So these are the three coordinates of L, M and K. So we have written coordinates. So now we know how to actually plot the points, how to actually read from graph the coordinates of a point. Moving ahead, here see, we have to state whether true or false and we have to correct that are false. Okay, a point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero. Suppose I take like this, y coordinate has some value, I take 0, 5. It lies on y-axis. Suppose I have 0, 5. So 0 is the value of x and suppose 5 is here. So this will be the point. It is lying on y-axis. So they are saying a point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is a non-zero number, then it will lie on y-axis. So there, yes, this statement is true. The second is a point whose y coordinate is 0. Now y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5. It will lie on y-axis 5, 0. So 5 is the value of x. We will move 5 units right and 0 units up. So this is the point. So will it lie on y-axis? No, it is lying on x-axis. So this is false. So here instead of y-axis, x-axis should come up. This is the correction done here. The next is the coordinates of the origin. Origin is this one, O point, right? We represent it and the coordinates are 0, 0. So they are saying the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. So this is a true statement. So what we have learnt in this session, we have learnt how to plot the points, right? For x-axis you have to move towards right and for y-axis you have to move up, okay, by the number of units that are given. So we have learnt how to plot the points. So students, in this session we have learnt about how to plot the points. Also we have learnt how to read the linear graph. Okay, how to tell that particular letter which is actually a point represents what coordinates, what is the value of x and y. So we see how many points it is to the right and how many units or I say points it is towards upside. So that gives us the value of those coordinates. Clear? So that's all for today. Thank you so much and stay tuned for the next lecture, as in the next lecture we are going to discuss how to draw the linear graphs. Okay.